Now we are discussing exercise 5.6. Parametric forms are there. There's x and if x and y are connected parametrically by the question given to exercise 1 to 10 and without eliminating the perimeter, find dy by dx. Then exercise 5.6. Then in terms of question number 1, x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to at raised to power 4. Then find dy by dx. Okay, this x is a function of x in terms of t, this function y in terms of t, then find dy by dx. And dy by dx is what? Dy by dt, the parameter is t, and dx upon dt. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Then find dy by dx. Then first is dx upon dt, then this 4at, this differentiate with respect to t, then dx upon dt is equal to 4at, and then this differentiate with respect to t, then dy by dt is equal to 4at cube. Then find dy by dx, and dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. Then put the value, this 4at cube upon 4at, this cancel out to this power t is equal to t square. Then dy by dx is equal to t square. Dy by dx is equal to t square. And question number 2, x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta. And then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, because parameter is theta. Then x is equal to a cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta, then dx upon d theta is equal to this a cos theta, is constant term, cos theta का derivative is minus sin theta. Then dx upon d theta is equal to minus a sin theta, and y is equal to b cos theta, then differentiate with respect to theta, then dy by d theta is equal to minus b sin theta. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta, and dy by d theta is minus b sin theta, and this dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. This cancel out to sin theta, this cancel out to minus. Then dy by dx is equal to b by a. Then next question number third and fourth. In question number third and fourth are the same question. You can solve. Question number 5. Try yourself. Question number 3 and 4. This question number 5. X is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. And y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. First we find dy by d theta and dx by d theta. Then differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. And then dx upon d theta is equal to cos theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, and this derivative of cos 2 theta is cos minus sin theta, and minus minus plus 2 sin 2 theta. And then differentiate with respect to theta, then dy by d theta, the sin theta is cos theta and theta is derivative is 1. The sin theta is sin cos theta minus cos 2 theta into 2. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. Dy by dx is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta upon minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta is the derivative of question number 5. And then question number 7. X is equal to sin cube theta sin cube t upon square root of cos 2t, and y is equal to cos cube t upon square root of cos 2t. Then this term is in terms of u upon v, or you can say quotient rule. Then use this. Differentiate dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt, and find this. Differentiate with respect to t, then dx upon dt is equal to this cot 2t and their square. Then square root of cot cos 2t and ddx of ddt of sin cube t minus sin cube t and ddt of root cos 2t. Then dx upon dt is equal to square root of cos 2t, and this differentiation is 3 into sin square t, and sin square t is sin square t and sin t is cos t, and derivative of t is 1 minus this sin cube t, and then this 1 by 2 cos 2t, and cos 2t is minus sin 2t, this minus sin 2t into 2, and t is 1, and then upon cos 2t, this cancel out to this, and then taking LCM of this term, dx upon dt is equal to this multiplied to this, and this 3 to the 6 cos 2t sin square t cos t plus sin cube t into 2 sin cube t sin 2t upon this power 1 and this power half, and this this 2 cancel out to this 2, and this 6 यहाँ पे 3 लिखें, and this 2 यहाँ से 2 भी हटा दें, then cos 2t raised to power 3 by 2, this 1 by 2 and this 1, this power is cos 2t raised to power 3 by 2 as this, and then common term is sin square t common, and this sin 2t cos t into sin t आप कर सकते हैं, then अभी आप क्वेश्चन को यहीं पे रखें, then find dy by dt, then using quotient rule, this cos 2t square is cos 2t and dt of cos cube t minus cos cube t and ddt of square root of cos 2t, and then dy by dt is equal to square root of cos 2t, and this derivative is 3 into cos square t, and derivative of cos t is minus sin, this minus sin t, this cos cube t into 1 by 2 root cos 2t, and cos 2t into my cos derivative is minus sin 2t into 2, minus sin 2t into 2, this term is minus, ये माइनस यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाएगा, एंड देन sin 2t अपॉन cos 2t, then dy by dx, this term is minus 3, this taking LCM of both, this sin 2t into 2, 2 से 2 cancel out होगा, this minus cos 2t cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t into sin 2t upon cos 2t raised to power 3 by 2. Then dy by dx find out करेंगे. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. फ्रैक्शन में रखेंगे, दिस टर्म कैंसिल आउट टू दिस, ये कंप्लीट टर्म इस टर्म से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगी और ये न्यूमरेटर में टर्म आ जाएगी और ये डिनोमिनेटर में टर्म आ जाएगी। देन पुट द वैल्यूज। अगर हमारे में से कोई चीज जैसे साइन स्क्वायर कॉमन निकलता है, इसमें से कोस स्क्वायर टी कॉमन निकलता है, देन टेंजेंट स्क्वायर आ जाएगा और बाकी की टर्म सेम रहेगी। देन यूज दिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, x is equal to a cos t plus log tangent t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t, and then differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, then dx upon dt is equal to, the value is a constant term, cos t का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin t प्लस log tangent t by 2 का डेरिवेटिव प्लस 1 by tangent t by 2, and this tangent का डेरिवेटिव is sec square t by 2 and t by 2 derivative is 1 by 2, then 2 into tangent t by 2, then dx upon dt is equal to a into minus sin t plus sec square t by 2 upon 2 tangent t by 2, and then differentiate with respect to t, with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to this a sin का डेरिवेटिव cos t, then t is 1, then dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to a cos t upon a minus sin t plus sec square t by 2 upon 2 tangent t by 2. This cancel out to this and this answer, taking LCM, and then this dy by dx is equal to this 2 tangent t by 2 upon this multiply to this minus 2 tangent t by 2 into sin t plus sec square t by 2, and solve this. And next one, next two questions you can solve. Question number 9 आप कर सकते हैं, and then question number 10. Question number 10, x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta into sin theta, and y is equal to a into sin theta into minus theta into sin theta, theta into cos theta. Then differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to theta because perimeter is theta, then dx upon d theta, a is constant term, cos theta is minus sin theta, and then use product rule, theta as it is, Sin theta derivative is cos theta plus sin theta as it is, and then theta is 1. This cancel out to this, and dx upon d theta is equal to a theta into cos theta. And then this differentiate with respect to theta, dy by d theta is equal to a constant, then sin theta derivative of sin theta is cos theta sin का derivative cos theta, and then use formula product rule, theta as it is, cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta as it is, and derivative of theta is 1. Then a into cos theta is minus minus plus theta sin theta and minus cos theta. This cancel out to this is equal to a theta sin theta. This dy by d theta. dy by d theta. Then find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. Then dy by d theta is a into theta sin theta upon a theta cos theta. And then cancel out to this and cancel out to this. Then dy by dx is equal to tangent theta. The question. And last one question is the different question of all the questions, and put the property of this question to solve easily. If you can solve of this method, then you can solve also, but some, you can say, not easy. Then x is equal to, if x is equal to square root of a sin inverse t, and y is equal to square root of a cos inverse t. We can use the property of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equal to pi by 2. We know that this property. And product of both the term x into y is equal to square root of a raised to power sin inverse t into a cos inverse t. Then x into y is equal to this a raised to power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. Use the property x into y is equal to a raised to power pi by 2 and their square root as a constant value, and then differentiate with respect to x as it is, y is dy by dx, and y as it is, and derivative of x is 1, this term is 0. Then x into dy by dx is equal to minus y, and dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. If you can use the same method of in previous method, is the difficult question of type of or type, and then is the simple question If we both multiply, then use the identity of sine inverse t and cos inverse t, and this is the constant term, and derivative of constant is 0. Then differentiate of product rule, use product rule, and then differentiate. Then dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Hence proved. Thank you.